Hi everyone and welcome. Today we're going to go back to the NAO Tactile head behaviour and look into how to program some colour states. So if you want your robot to flash his eyes like a disco, then please stay tuned. Hi guys, I'm Philip English from RoboFeel.com. Now on this video we're looking to teach you how to toggle between 8 different colour states using the NAO Tactile head. We will do this by implementing some Python code which will cut down us having lots of choreographed boxes. Yes, it now, yeah, that's it now, yeah, flash, yeah. Right, hi guys, let's have a look at this tutorial, Python tutorial for the tactile heads and the colours, the eyes colour for the NAOs. So, what we are going to do is ignore this box here. So this is one I've made earlier so we can speed things up. So let's create a brand new Python box. So right click, come down, create new and Python. There we go. So we are going to name this box I Light Blend. And then what we need to do is we need to create 3 new inputs for this box. And they all have to be on bang state. So we come down here, inputs, and hit the little plus sign. And the first one we are going to have red, all lowercase. Make sure the type is bang. Okay, that. If it pops in, click again. We need a green one. And make sure it's bang again, and okay, and hit the plus sign. And now we need a blue one. Blue. Make sure it's the banks on that. Then we hit OK, and we have our Python box all set up, ready to go on the inputs. So the red, green, and blue. Now we are using the tactile head, so we're just going to bring this down here. And the tactile head button we're looking for is in sensing, and there it is, tactile head. Drag it over. Now we want to connect it up like so. So we want to put one here, a little noodle here, and then obviously from the noodles from the top of the tactile heads, obviously this is the top, the front tactile head, this is the middle one, and this is the back one. So obviously each one is going to produce a different colour for us. Now what I'm going to do is I'm actually just going to delete this. And I'm actually going to put the one I've made earlier so we can copy the code so this tutorial isn't hours and hours long, just me writing out code for you. So I'll just put that in there. So again, the top, the middle and the bottom button, or I should say the front, the back and the front, the middle and the back button, which is going to go into the red and the green and the blue inputs we've just made in our Python box. So if we click into the box, the script editor appears, and what I want you to do is I want you to pause the video and input all of the text so we can get our Python code, and then I'll quickly run through what it means. So if you pause the video now guys and type that all in. So guys, I'm guessing that you've had time and you have put in the code and written it into your Python tutorial box. So to quickly go through it, the script maintains a state consisting of 3 Boolean variables. So this is the red, the green and the blue that we've inputted into it. Boolean variables can either be true or false. So when you hit the buttons on the top of the NAO, so the tactile head buttons, we can toggle the corresponding variable using the not operator, which performs negation. So not true is false and not false is true. So what we do is we use the state variables to set the LED colours in the on input and on start method, which continually loops and sets the eye colours. The colours are set by the normal 24-bit RGB value colours using the binary code. This is done by the last 8 bits of the blue component, the preceding 8 bits of the green component, and the 8 bits before that are the red components. So if you have any paint programs guys, you can quickly go in there and type in these variables into the colour fields and you'll see the actual colours appear. So written in hexadecimal, it's 0xFF and then 4 zeros is red, 0x 2 zeros, 2s, 2 zeros is green, and 0x 4 zeros and 2s is blue. You'll also notice there is a bitwiser or operator. So this is the vertical bar here. So this takes the two binary numbers for each bit. If the bit is set in either number, it is set in the output. So to give you an example, if you have 100110 and then you have the vertical bar, which is the bitwiser, followed by 010100, this corresponds and it equals 11010. So the sequence of the if statement sets the corresponding colour component if the red, green and blue variables have been set to true. Right, that's brilliant guys. So just to give you a quick overview of how it means, again, my tutorials, I try to keep them as basic as possible and not get too detailed with the Python. So what we're going to do now is we're going to close the box and we are going to hit play on the system file. Oh, I've got to save it first. Let's save the files. There we go, save and saving. Hit play, so it's all working smoothly. If the coding is wrong, you'll get a red box appear, and you don't want this, so you can go in and check your code. So hit play, it's running smoothly now, so let's go over to the robot and see what we get. Right, hi guys, so here we have the NAO, so let's give them a go. So if I touch the front panel, I've done this in the dark so we can see this a little bit easier. Touch the front panel, there we have his red eyes, and we'll turn it off. And if we hit the middle panel, we have his green eyes, and we'll turn it off. And then the back tactile head, we have his blue eyes, and we'll turn it off. So of course we can combine these combinations. So if we hit a red and a green, we have a yellow colour. And if we take the green off and we have a blue, we have a purple colour. So you can see how we have a mixture of different colours, but as you can see, it's working very, very nicely. Brilliant. Cool, thanks guys. Well done guys, you can now manipulate your robot's eyes to any colour that you desire. And you've also learned some more Python skills. Now have a play this behaviour and experiment with all the 8 different colour combinations. Have a play guys and use your imagination. If you like this and want even more free video tutorials, news and information, then please visit us at robophil.com, where you can download the latest free ebooks and get insider information and techniques of how to become a robot expert. Now if you like this tutorial and want to see the next one in the collection, then please hit the subscribe button to keep up to date with the latest videos that come out. Please have a look below as well, where I've put links relating to these videos as well as other information about the NAO robot. If you have any questions or want to see any other related tutorials, then please write me a message in the comments section and I'll see what I can do. Thanks guys, and I'll see you next time.